This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Tamarah Clayton. This updated brick ranch-style home, situated in a tranquil cul-de-sac, offers a welcoming open floor plan enhanced by newly installed carpeting and beautifully renovated bathrooms. Enjoy the cozy warmth of a classic brick fireplace and the refreshing ambience of recently painted interiors. The expansive backyard is a private oasis, featuring a detached shed and privacy fence, providing ample space for outdoor activities and storage. Welcome home, April 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Tamarah Clayton at 757-547-1234.